Are you hungry?
Yes.
I'm so hungry. What should we eat? Pasta.
Pasta?
Where we gonna get some pasta from? Oh shit! What is this? Some pasta-roni! You put this right there?
No.
I saw you looking.
Came out the sky.
It came out the sky. Well, shit. Let's cook it. Pasta. We made the pasta-roni.
What is it? Garlic?
Uh,
Vermicelli?
Garlic and
Ow!
olive.
Fuck, that shit stung the shit out of my tongue, bruh.
It's not that hot. Although I did swallow a noodle hole. Arissy had asked me this question earlier. Y'all, she asked me what's more important on a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, the peanut butter or the jelly?
First of all, what do y'all think? Because I know what the answer is, but I'm just curious as to what your thoughts are.
Bro, put your answer in the comments. But the peanut butter is more important.
No. That simply isn't true. It's the jelly.
You can't have a peanut butter jelly without the jelly, but you can have a peanut butter sandwich.
Yes, you can, actually. But, yeah, you can have the peanut butter by itself. So that's why you need the jelly. A lot of it to make the jelly.
You need a little bit of jelly.
And to be honest, have you ever just had a peanut butter sandwich? You know how horrible of an experience that is? The peanut butter and the bread sticks to the roof of your mouth and you can't get rid of it.
Bruh,
you can damn near choke on it.
And bread sandwich sounds disgusting. Just sugar and bread. Unless it's toasted with butter.
But it'll never be dry. You'll have a dry ass sandwich if you don't have that much jelly on it. Period. You have to have equal or more amounts of jelly so that it's somewhat moist. Everybody knows that. Simple math.
No, less jelly than there is peanut butter. Because if you put too much, it'll be too sweet.
She eats chunky peanut butter. I don't listen to a damn thing she says. She eats peanuts with jelly.
She told me peanut butter was crunchy. There's a crunchy type of peanut butter, but peanut butter is not crunchy. Tell me, if y'all agree with that.
Bruh, you want to know what she said peanut butter was? We all know there's a crunchy peanut butter.
It's smooth.
Crunch. Crunchy
It's
peanut
not
butter.
crunchy.
What the fuck does the fucking jar say? Crunchy peanut butter.
If you get the crunchy.
If you don't, you just get regular peanut butter, then yeah. But if you're getting the ones with the peanuts in it, it's crunchy.
Yeah, and regular peanut butter is not crunchy. You guys, you can eat that shit because I'm done. I've tapped out right after I tapped in. Oh my. At the end of the day, the peanut butter is more important than the jelly, and that is that. You don't say anything. Meow meow.
Yeah. This cat, yeah, bro. He followed me home and he just won't leave. I'm kidding, guys. I picked him up from the ASPCA like you should pick up your cats.
Oh. Uh-oh. 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 I knew that shit.
A noodle came back up with that.
That's fucking nasty.
It was kind of painful, kind of weird feeling. It felt like something slithered back up my throat.
I feel like a big gas bubble in my stomach, y'all.
Drink some soda.
Oh. I heard that. Guys, I still have some donuts left. still got the beautiful. Fuck! Holy schmoly. I was saying, teammates, I have the beautiful sprinkle before Rissy fucking shot her fucking missile off. Oh, good. And my half-eaten churro.
It ain't even half-eaten. It's bitten.
And Babe's bitten apple fritter pastry.
If you're anything like me, you like to eat the middle of everything.
What is
disgusting
happening
for
to her?
5 minutes.
Oh no!
There's actual chunks of apple in here.
Mmm. It's true. Mmm.
I feel sick.
That's a sign, y'all, for us to stop eating. And while you're at it, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button before I shit myself.